Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to make rolls at home with roti. First, gather your ingredients, fresh roti, your choice of fillings, and any desired sauces. This method is perfect for quick lunches or dinners, offering a delightful way to enjoy your meals. You'll be surprised at how simple it is to create a satisfying and flavorful roll using everyday items from your kitchen. Let's get started on this culinary adventure. The foundation of a great roll is a perfectly prepared roti. Whether you're using homemade or store-bought, gently warm each roti on a medium-heat griddle. Heat it for about 30 seconds on each side, just until it's warm and flexible. Avoid overcooking, as a crispy roti will be difficult to roll without breaking. We want it soft and pliable, ready to embrace our delicious fillings. Now for the exciting part, the fillings. The possibilities are truly endless. Consider a protein like seasoned grilled chicken, crumbled paneer, or spiced chickpeas for a hearty base. Complement this with fresh, crisp vegetables such as thinly sliced red onions, colorful bell peppers, or shredded lettuce. Don't forget a delicious sauce. A tangy mint chutney or a creamy, spicy mayonnaise can elevate your roll to new heights. Aim for about 1 cup of filling per roll. Finally, let's assemble your masterpiece. Lay the warm, pliable roti flat on a clean surface. Spread a thin layer of your chosen sauce across the entire surface. Next, arrange your prepared fillings in a neat line, slightly off-center, leaving about 1 inch clear on the edges. Carefully roll the roti tightly from one side, tucking in the ends as you go to secure the contents. Serve immediately for the best experience, perhaps with a side of extra chutney.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.